What's up, you guys? This is BabaSwagger back at it again with another video. Hey guys, I'm really sorry for slowing down the videos. I actually got some couple of packages that just came. Okay, as you can see, the mailman. As you can see, the mailman came, and I got too excited and opened the boxes so too early. But alright, guys. So I'm unboxing the boxes right now. I don't got enough space on here, so I'm just unboxing them and then tell everything. Box number 1, you feel me? Ooh. Oh my god, my spider victory just came through. Oh, it's lit. Oh, it's lit. We are about to be lit with this. This shit big too. Oh my god, look, that shit big. This shit bigger than my chest. Look how big this shit is. It's like my arm. Like, damn near big as my arm. Oh my god. If y'all guys know what this is, you already know what's about to happen. You hear me? Hey, y'all guys, the channel's about to get lit. My gun just came. My spider victory just came. You feel me? And shit about to get real. And things about to get lit up in here. Your guys better stay tuned. Oh my god, this shit beautiful. Spider victory. It's called Spider Victory. Oh my god, this shit. Look at this. This is so beautiful. With the long nose, like Scottie Pippen. Oh my god, this shit about to go crazy. What's next? What's next? Second box. Oh. This shit goes right here. Yeah, I can see. This shit goes right in here. The packet's not even open yet, so this shit goes right in here. Oh. 50 clip. 50 clip. Look at that. 50 clip, bruh. Oh. Got the big tank. Oh. Got the big tank. Oh my god, look at this. Big tank, baby. The big tank. Oh, it's about to be lit. Oh, it's about to be lit. I gotta get the I think I gotta get the smaller tanks. Or this I think this is the one that you load the pipes up with, whatever. But yeah, this is about to be lit. What else? Bullets didn't come yet. Oh my god. Now I gotta wait for the bullets. Oh my god. But hey guys, this was supposed to be a surprise, but I'm gonna let y'all guys in the little secret, you hear me? This shit about to get lit. This came, what's today? Today is the 29th. Today's the 29th. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it's about to be lit. We about to get lit. Watch. It's about to get lit. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta get, yo guys, stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned for this. Stay tuned. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Stay tuned. It's about to get. You see this? You see this, man? Oh my god. Yo. Oh, they got the safety button on here too. Look, safety button on here too. See that safety button? They got a whole safety button for it. What? That's crazy. It's a 68 caliber paintball gun. Oh no, it says a 68 caliber paintball, something like that. 68 caliber. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we about to get lit. Who won it? Who won it? Who won it? I'm playing. But hey, y'all guys, stay tuned. You hear me? Stay tuned. We gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay? I got a surprise for y'all. I don't know who I'm gonna hit first. But I'm gonna hit somebody first. Okay? I don't know who I'm gonna hit first. I'm waiting for my other camera. Okay? I'm waiting for another camera. ain't come yet. I'm waiting for another camera. It didn't come yet, and I'm waiting for now. I gotta go and order. I'm gonna make this one a fashion. I gotta order bullets for this, cause I don't think the bullets came in with it. So I thought the bullets was gonna come with it. But it didn't come with it. So I'm gonna have to order the bullets. But it's not gonna take more than 2 days shipping. You know, today's 29th is Saturday, so I'm gonna order it now. Probably gonna come on Tuesday, and then next weekend we getting lit. Okay, somebody's getting lit up. Okay, yo guys, stay tuned. Somebody's getting lit up. It don't matter who, but somebody gonna get lit up. Even if y'all watching this video, people about to get lit up. Even if you're watching this video, you're still gonna get caught lacking. Cause I'm smart like that. You hear me? So we're gonna see. We're gonna see, y'all guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm telling you, we about to get lit with this. Oh my God, somebody about to get lit with this. But hey guys, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more. Okay, shit about to get real. Stay tuned for more. You heard me? Stay tuned for more. All right, BabaSwagger is out. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.